Backing out of a tight parking space, especially in a small parking lot, is never fun. Yada makes it simple, with a solar-powered adjustable backup camera that can be controlled with your smartphone. Hey Siri, open the Yada Drive app. A screwdriver is all you need to mount the camera to your license plate frame. And being solar-powered, there's no messy wires to run. The built-in solar panel means you never have to manually charge the camera. The camera can be adjusted up or down depending on the height of the vehicle to give you the perfect view. The Yada backup camera pairs with your smartphone and streams HD video via the Yada Drive app, even at night. Safely backing up is no longer a chore. That was easy.